देखिए मैग्नेटिक इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक इंडक्शन, 5e मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स लिंक्ड with secondary coil, 5e হচ্ছে ম্যাগনেটিক ফ্লাক্স লিংকড উইথ সেকেন্ডারি কয়েল। তাহলে 5e is directly proportional to I, তাহলে so we can write 5e equals to m into I. Here m is a constant, this constant is called mutual inductance or coefficient of mutual induction. Again the E equals to, let E means ki EMF of the coil, তাহলে E equals to minus d phi by dt, তাহলে E equals to minus m into d phi by dt. Here m is called, this m is also called coefficient of mutual induction or mutual inductance. Next देखिए इन Cesius मेथड or Cesius system, the unit of mutual inductance, that is m, unit of mutual inductance, EMU of mutual inductance. Cesius method unit of mutual inductance is called EMU of mutual inductance or Ab Henry. EMU of mutual inductance or Ab Henry. In Cesius method, the unit of mutual inductance, EMU of mutual inductance or Ab Henry. In SI method, the unit of M, that means mutual inductance, is called Henry. SI method, the unit of M is called Henry. So देखिए 1 Henry equals to 10 to the power 9 EMU of mutual inductance. 1 Henry equals to 10 to the power 9 EMU of mutual inductance. Next देखिए mutual inductance. What is mutual induction? यहाँ पे देखिए प्राइमरी कॉइल और यहाँ पे सेकेंडरी कॉइल। म्यूचुअल इंडक्शन का फिगर है वाला। तो म्यूचुअल इंडक्शन क्या हुआ? इट इज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ टू कॉइल by virtue of which each opposes any change in the current flowing in the other by developing an induced EMF. क्या हुआ? It is the property of two coils, ये दोनों कॉइल का प्रॉपर्टी, by virtue of which each opposes any change in the current flowing in the other developing an induced EMF, other developing an induced EMF. এবার देखिए let 5e magnetic flux linked with secondary coil, a secondary coil magnetic flux linked 5e, when a current I flowing through the primary coil, when current I flowing through primary coil, यहाँ पे current I flowing हो रहा है, ठीक है? ताले actually mutual it is the property of two coils by virtue of which each opposes any change in the current flowing in the other developing an induced EMF, ठीक है? That is called mutual induction. 5e magnetic flux linked with secondary coil when current flowing through the primary coil, ठीक है? Then 5e is directly proportional to I. 5e equals to m into I, where m is called mutual induction or mutual inductance. Self inductance, यहाँ पे क्या देखिए 5e magnetic flux linked with a coil when current I flows through it, current I flows through it, ठीक है? Then 5e is directly proportional to I. पहले 5e equals to L into I. L into I. L is called proportionality constant or self inductance or coefficient of self inductance. We are differentiating both sides from equation 1. Then we can write d phi b by dt equals to L into di by dt. L is called proportionality constant or self inductance or coefficient of self inductance. Next देखिए, next Cesius unit of L, L means self inductance. देखिए क्या हुआ? EMU inductance और Ab Henry, ठीक है? नेक्स्ट देखिए SI unit of L, Henry, इसका created as capital H. Next question, show the relation between Henry and Ab Henry. Henry means SI method and Ab Henry Cesius method. देखिए पहले 1 Henry equals to क्या हुआ बाबू? 1 volt divided by 1 ampere per second. 1 volt means 10 to the power 8 amp volt divided by 1 ampere. 1 ampere में 1 by 10 amp ampere per second. Finally 1 Henry equals to 10 to the power 9 F Henry. 1 Henry equals to 10 to the power 9 F Henry. We have a relation between Henry and Weber. Henry and Weber. Henry and Weber इसका रिलेशन कैसे पढ़ेंगे? We know actually सेल्फ इंडक्टेंस L equals to 5 by I. ठीक है, ताकि L का यूनिट हेनरी, तो 1 हेनरी equals to 1 Weber divided by 1 ampere. So we can write 1 Henry equals to 1 Weber per ampere. नेक्स्ट फॉर्मूला देखिए सेल्फ इंडक्टेंस ऑफ ए प्लेन कॉइल, ये पे L equals to mu naught pi n square r divided by 2. n क्या हुआ? नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स ऑफ द कॉइल, in number of turns of the coil. R radius through which current is flowing. Here magnetic field at the plane of the coil, that means at the center. Magnetic field for plane coil at the center B equals to mu naught Ni by 2R. देखिए सेल्फ इंडक्टेंस ऑफ सॉलिनॉइड ताकि L দিয়ে ট্রিট করা হয়, তাই না? L equals to mu naught small n square A by L. The capital N, total number of turns equals to small n into small n. Small n, number of turns per unit length equals to capital N by L. ठीक है, फाइनली L माने सेल्फ इंडक्टेंस ऑफ द सॉलिनॉइड L equals to mu naught n small n square A L. Small n square A L. If the solenoid has a core of some magnetic material of relative magnetic permeability mu1, then we can write L equals to mu naught into mu1 into n square into L. Mu naught into mu1 into n square L. এটা হচ্ছে self inductance for solenoid for relative magnetic permeability. Mu1 is called relative magnetic permeability. The energy stored in an inductor, say W, that means work done, half L I naught square, where I naught is steady current in the coil, or L equals to inductor, or L is the inductance, that is also called self inductance of the coil. तो ओके बाबू, बाय.